Mulungu, Dalitsani, Malawi.
Oh God, bless our country, bless our land of Malawi.
They say the unity of all things is a belief which some would consider pointless. It's true how sometimes the power of togetherness, the power of bonding and connecting, uniting, and living in a world free from fighting is considered worthless, senseless and meaningless within the same soils our forefathers' blood was shed, for freedom, for equality, for love, and for unity. But now we judge and hate because our religious beliefs are different, discriminate because we come from different regions. We fight and we kill because our political views are not the same. We force our opinions down on others. We purposely intimidate those among us and those around us, using their loved ones as bait, and when they don't consent, we silence them. Uncaringly we move on, blaming them for wanting justice, blaming them for fighting corruption and standing with those whose cries aren't loud enough. Malawi. Why? We've seen people cry and people die. We've seen hunger and real danger. We've seen the effects of terror. We've seen children's future and of their parents in the hands of misery and failing hope. We've seen families pack their entire homes in backpacks and living their lives only in God's hands. We've sympathized on the people of Nigeria who died because of tribal wars and the hatred between different religious groups. People of South Sudan who die in civil wars emerging from ethnic differences. Isn't humanity supposed to come together and build each other up? And in CAR, it's the differences between religious beliefs. Do we really want to live like this? Tell me, why are we hating? Why are we so determined to shedding blood and so passionate about detesting other humans because of how they live and what they believe in? See, we carry the testaments of their tears, of their words as they pray to the highest power for a peaceful land, for the hope of a new sun. So why? Why are we splitting ourselves up? Why are we planting the seed of hatred in our hearts? We've seen it start war before, within families and between tribes, between the races in one country and between people in different political parties. There is a lack of love. We are nurturing and loving our inner demons more than our children, more than our families and our people. We need to understand that despite our varied privileges, we're all people. We need to believe and find love. We are a population of one, a family of different tribes, religions, and different political parties. We are a nation made of nations united by the black, red, and green. So let's soar above the skies and rise to new heights, new life and new sights. Let our flag be deep-rooted in our hearts. Let it wave above our heads and before our eyes, so that we see our Nyasa before we see our differences. Let's come together with our dreams, daring and devotion. We are bright as our nation's sun and bold as an eagle, agile as the rain. We are a nation of all people, and together we can move Malawi to prosperity. So let's start educating our children, teaching and enlightening our future generations how to love their country, this Malawi, and not see religion or tribes but love in each other's eyes and love for our country. For patriotism is something we all need to practice. So can't we do that much then, while we pray to God to bless us, protect us, and our mother, Malawi.
Oh God, bless